and this one has a great fit and is super versatile, and you can just see that how cool they look. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Sandy Agarwal, and today I have an exciting Zudio fashion haul to share with you all. I have picked up some amazing pieces and I can't wait to show you that how you can style them. So yeah, without any further ado, let's just get into this video. Okay, so first up we have these cargo pants, and I absolutely love the utility vibe they give off. I will just insert a video of me wearing these cargo pants, and you can just see that how cool they look. These pants have a relaxed fit and come up with multiple pockets, which is not just stylish but also super practical. You can pair these cargo pants with a simple t-shirt for a casual day out, or maybe dress them with a crop top and some statement accessories for that chic street style look. So next up we have another pair of cargo pants. It's actually in a beige color and it looks absolutely beautiful. I mean, these pants are just so comfortable, and you can just style it with any fitted top and sneakers to give it a sporty look. I mean, this is gonna look amazing with black t-shirt definitely. So yeah, this was the another cargo pant which I got. Alright, so lastly we have these cargo pants. These are actually same like which I showed you just before this one, and but obviously in a different color. But yeah, I mean, these are also very comfortable and you can also style them with a crop top or basic t-shirt or with the cool sneakers, and you're good to go. So yeah, these were 3 cargo pants which I bought from Zudio. Okay, so moving on to t-shirts, I got this really cute graphic tee in purple color, or you can say lavender color, and it is just super comfortable and you can just wear it like in a casual day out. You can just style it with a pair of jeans, and it actually matches with my specs also. So yeah, I mean, this is actually gonna look really cute. Okay, so the second t-shirt which I bought is this classic white tee. I mean, you can just never go wrong with basics, right? And this one has a great fit and is super versatile. You can just style this white t-shirt with maybe a cargo pant or maybe a statement jacket to make it pop. So yeah, this was the second t-shirt which I bought from Zudio. Okay, so next we have this shirt which actually I'm wearing right now. So I actually really like the color and the pattern which is made on it. I mean, you can just wear it for work or maybe casual outings. So yeah, I mean, I really liked this shirt. It is super comfortable, and the fabric which is this shirt contains is also really soft. So yeah, that's why I just bought it, and it actually looks super cool and cute at the same time. Okay, so the second shirt which I bought was this one. It is actually very comfortable and also very cool in look wise. I mean, you know what, this was the last piece over there, so I'm just super lucky to grab this. So yeah, I mean, the color of this shirt is also very beautiful. You can just wear this as it is, or maybe you can just layer it with any type of tank top or any other top. It's gonna look really cute. So yeah, this was the second shirt which I bought from Zudio. Okay, so finally I want to show you this adorable cord set that I picked up. I mean, this is super comfy, and just see, this is the top, and let me show you the trousers. And these are the trousers. These are really comfortable. I mean, I use this cord set as a night suit because this is just so comfortable and breathable, and you can just see that how cool they look. but you can just wear it outside also. I mean, just pair this t-shirt with cute jeans and yeah, you're good to go. I mean, or maybe you can just wear the whole cord set outside. So yeah, it just depends on you that how you want to style it. So yeah, I mean, this was the cord set which I bought from Zudio. So that's all for my Zudio fashion haul. I hope you enjoyed seeing these pieces as much as I enjoyed sharing them with you. Let me know in the comment section that which outfit was your favorite and how you would style these items. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and also hit that bell icon to stay updated with my latest videos. So yeah, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.